Did you bring us a present? Wow. It looks like a big box of Lucky Fortune Wear Your Luck Series 1. And you even have a chance to find the Ultra Lucky. Oh, wow. It says there's 100 bracelets to collect. I can't believe it. And inside, I think we get 4. Wow. Crack them, wear them, share them. Look how cute. Oh boy. Comment down below which 4 you think I'm gonna get. Well, I really hope to get the unicorn. That's super cute. Oh, that whale's adorable too. Wow. But wouldn't it be amazing if I actually get the ultra lucky one? Well, let's open this up and see what we have in here. Okay, so it looks like here is all 4 of them right here. So this one is the blue one. Let's see, because it says that there's like 100 to collect. So let's see if they have more of them in here or not. Whoa, they do. So comment down below what one's your favorite and what one you think I'm definitely gonna get. I have no idea. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so here is the fortune cookie. And look, it's like a golden tab. Do you see that? That is stunning. Okay, let's crack it open together. Okay. See which one we get. So this says, oh, you are a donut in a wonderful world of bagels. Oh, that's so silly. I wonder if my bracelet's gonna be a donut or not. Well, there's an adorable golden fortune cookie. And a beautiful sparkly donut. Well, let's go ahead and put this one on and see what other 4 we get. Okay. Now, up next, this is the purple one. Okay, let's see. Biggie, which one do you think is going to be inside? Okay, let's crack it open. Oh, it has a pink string. I love pink strings. Okay. And another golden fortune cookie. And bum bum bum. What is that? Is that supposed to be like a little Polaroid camera? Or a gumball machine? I have no idea what in the world that is. Comment down below if you know what it is, because those are my only guesses. Okay, now let's see. Next up, oh, it's the pink one. Okay, let's see. Are we ready to crack it open? Let's count to 3 and crack it open together, as the Spirella family should. 1, 2, 3. That's tricky. Okay. Let's see which one we get. Oh wait, I forgot to read the other one, didn't I? Your smile lights up the room. That's true. Okay, there's another golden fortune cookie. And the reveal. Oh, it's a beautiful sparkly cloud. Oh my, let's put this on. These things are just the cutest little bracelets in the whole wide world. Okay, now let's read what fortune we have inside here. One day you will. Okay, now let's see what this one is. It is blue. Let's go ahead and check it out. I wonder what one's gonna be inside here. Count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. Another pink string. Okay. Now let's see, did you guess right? Here it is. It looks like strawberry juice. Do you think that's what it is? Let's go ahead and read this. It says, you're somebody's main squeeze. So maybe it's supposed to be like lemonade. Strawberry lemonade is my guess. Well, I'm gonna put this on. I have all these 4 bracelets. They're just so cute. Oh my. So here they all are. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button in the face. Become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. And as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.